हाय स्टूडेंट, आज मैं क्लास 7th का 4th चैप्टर है हीट। तो हीट का जो चैप्टर है उसमें मैं अभी रनिंग वे में रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। और मेरे पीछे पीछे आपको रिपीट करना है, बोलना है, और थोड़ा ज़ोर से बोलिएगा ताकि आपकी जीभ थोड़ा काम करे, ठीक है। जीभ काम करेंगे तो फिर आगे चल के इससे बहुत सारे फ़ायदे होंगे, ठीक है। हमारे साथ साथ आप लोग दोहराएंगे। यदि ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो फिर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, ठीक है। तो चलिए हमारे साथ साथ बोलेंगे, रनिंग पे मैं पढ़ाऊँगा, ठीक है। चैप्टर 4 का हीट चैप्टर है, ठीक है। चलिए पढ़ेंगे, पढ़िए। ई आई और एन, ये वाला अब आई बड़ा लिखा हुआ है, इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। एन है छोटा, यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है। तो आई एन इन चैप्टर 3 यू लर्न दैट woolen cloths are made from animal fibers, full stop. You also know that cotton cloths are made from plant fibers, full stop. We wear woolen clothes during winters when it is cold outside, full stop. चलिए, थोड़ा लग रहा होगा कि मैं थोड़ा स्पीड में पढ़ रहा हूँ, इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं पहले भी पढ़ा चुका हूँ, है ना, 1 बाय 1 करके स्पेलिंग के साथ। तो इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए आपको, ठीक है। ये सब पहले से पढ़ चुके हैं। यदि थोड़ा स्पीड है तो स्पीड आप पढ़ना स्टार्ट कीजिए, ठीक है। वुलन क्लॉथ्स कीप अस वार्म, फुल स्टॉप। वी प्रीफर टू वियर लाइट colored cotton cloths when it is hot, full stop. These give us a feeling of coolness, full stop. You might have wondered why particular types of clothes are suitable for a particular season, full stop. In winter you feel cold inside the house, full stop. If you come out in the sun, comma, you feel warm, full stop. In summer, comma, you feel hot even inside the house, full stop. How do we know whether an object is hot or cold? Question mark. How do we find out how hot or cold an object is? Question mark. In this chapter we shall try to seek answers to some of these questions, full stop. Hot and cold in our day to day life, comma, we come across a number of objects, full stop. Some of them are hot, hot and cold objects. For इसको object कोल्ड और कूल, वार्म और इस लाइन को और बोलते हैं, ठीक है, HOT हॉट, आइस क्रीम, स्पून इन ए टी कप, फ्रूट जूस, हैंडल ऑफ ए फ्राइंग पैन, and some of them are cold, full stop. Tea is hot and ice is cold, full stop. List some objects you use commonly in table 4.1. Mark these objects as hot or cold, full stop. Do not touch objects which are too hot, full stop. Be careful while handling a candle frame or a stove, full stop. We see that some objects are cold while some are hot, full stop. You also know that some objects are hotter than others while some are colder than others, full stop. How do we decide which object is hotter than the other? Question mark. We often do it by touching the objects, full stop. But is our sense of touch reliable? Question mark. Let us find out, full stop. Activity 4.1. Take 3 small tubes or containers, full stop. Label them as A, B and C, full stop. Put cold water in container A and hot water in container. चलिए आगे पढ़ेंगे, ये अभी बॉक्स वाला पढ़ लेते हैं, बॉक्स में क्या लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है। मेक श्योर दैट वाटर इज नॉट सो हॉट दैट यू बर्न योर हैंड। अब नेक्स्ट पेज पे पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ बी पहले लिखा हुआ था कंटेनर और उसके बाद यहाँ नंबर बी दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। फिर पढ़िए, मिक्स सम कोल्ड एंड हॉट वाटर इन कंटेनर सी, फुल स्टॉप। नाउ डिप योर लेफ्ट हैंड इन कंटेनर ए एंड द राइट hand in container B, full stop. After keeping the hands in the two containers for 2-3 minutes, comma, put both the hands simultaneously in container C, full stop. Do both the hands get the same feeling? Question mark. पढ़िए, भुजो says, comma, my left hand tells me that the water in mug C is hot and the right hand tells me that the same water is cold. Full stop. What should I conclude? Question mark. Question mark. Bhujo's confusion shows that we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Full stop. Sometimes it may deceive us. Full stop. Then how do we find out how hot an object really is? Question mark. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. Full stop. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. Full stop. Measuring temperature. Have you seen a thermometer? Question mark. Recall that when you or someone else in your family had fever, comma, the temperature was measured by a thermometer. Full stop. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. Full stop. Hold the thermometer in your hand and examine it carefully. Full stop. If you do not have a thermometer, comma, request a friend to share it with you. Full stop. A clinical thermometer looks like the one shown in figure 4.2. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, comma, narrow, comma, uniform glass tube. Full stop. It has a bulb at one end. Full stop. This bulb contains mercury. Full stop. Outside the bulb, comma, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. Full stop. If you do not see the mercury thread, comma, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. Full stop. You will also find a scale on the thermometer. Full stop. The scale we use is the Celsius scale, comma, indicated by degree centigrade, degree Celsius. Bojo wondered which of the two scales shown in figure 4.2 he should read. Full stop. Paheli told him that India has adopted the Celsius scale and we should read that scale. Full stop. The other scale with the range 94 to 108 degrees is the Fahrenheit scale. Degree Fahrenheit. Full stop. It was in use earlier. Full stop. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees centigrade to 42 degrees centigrade. Activity 4.2. Reading a thermometer. Let us learn how to read a thermometer. Full stop. First, note the temperature difference indicated between the two bigger marks. Full stop. Also, note down the number of divisions. चलिए नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलते हैं। यहाँ पे कुछ प्रिकॉशंस लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है। देखिए, मुझे आशा है कि आप हमारे साथ साथ पढ़ रहे होंगे, ठीक है। आप लोग हमारे साथ पीछे पीछे पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पढ़ना सीख जाएंगे। और इस वीडियो को एक बार नहीं, कम से कम 5 बार चलाने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है। बार बार एक ही चीज़ को देखेंगे तो स्वाभाविक है कि ये चीज़ याद रहेंगे आपको। यदि ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो फिर आप चाहे जितना भी महंगी कोचिंग में चले जाए, आप पढ़ना नहीं सीख पाएंगे, ठीक है। पढ़ना है तो प्रैक्टिस करना है आपको, ठीक है। साथ में प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। प्रिकॉशन टू बी ऑब्जर्व वाइल यूजिंग ए क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर। चलिए आगे पढ़िए। थर्मोमीटर शुड बी वॉश्ड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर यूज, कॉमा, प्रिफरेबली विथ एन एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन, फुल स्टॉप। Ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees centigrade. Read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight, full stop. Handle the thermometer with care, full stop. If it hits against some hard object, comma, it can break, full stop. Don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it, full stop. Shown by a smaller marks. Between these marks, full stop. Suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them, full stop. Then, comma, 1 a small division can read 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2 degrees centigrade, full stop. Wash the thermometer, comma, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks, full stop. The jerks will bring the level of mercury down, full stop. Ensure that it falls below 35 degrees centigrade, full stop. Now place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue, full stop. After 1 minute, comma, take the thermometer out and note the reading, full stop. This is your body temperature, full stop. The temperature should always be stated with its unit, comma, degree centigrade, full stop. What did you record as your body temperature, comma, question mark, sorry, question mark. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees centigrade, full stop. Note that the temperature is stated with its unit, full stop. पहली measured her body temperature, full stop. She got worried as it was not exactly 37 degrees centigrade, full stop. Let us try to assure Paheli that there is nothing wrong with her, full stop. Activity 4.3. Measure the body temperature of some of your friends, at least 10 with a. चलिए इस बॉडी का कुछ हेडलाइंस पढ़ लेते हैं. बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ सम पर्सन्स. चलिए पढ़िए. क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर, फुल स्टॉप. record your observations is in table 4.2, full stop. Is the body temperature of every person 37 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, क्वेश्चन मार्क. देखिए मेरे साथ साथ पढ़िए, ठीक है. नींद आ रही है तो थोड़ा चाय पी लीजिए या मुंह धो लीजिए, ठीक है. और हमारे साथ साथ धैर्य बना के पढ़िए, रीडिंग सीख जाएंगे. द temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees centigrade, full stop. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower, full stop. Actually, comma, what we call normal temperature is the average body temperature of a large number of healthy persons, full stop. The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only, full stop. The temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degrees centigrade or above 42 degrees centigrade, full stop. That is the reason that this thermometer has the range 35 degrees centigrade to 42 degrees centigrade. Bojo got a naughty idea, full stop. He wanted to measure the temperature of hot milk using a clinical thermometer, full stop. Paheli stopped him from doing so, full stop. Caution: do not use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than the human body, full stop. Also avoid keeping the thermometer in the sun or near a flame, full stop. It may break, full stop. Laboratory thermometer. How do we measure the temperature of other objects, question mark. for this purpose, comma, there are other thermometers, full stop. One such thermometer is known as the laboratory thermometer, full stop. The teacher will show you. चलिए बॉक्स वाला भी पढ़ लेते पहले. Different types of thermometer are used for different purposes, full stop. The maximum and minimum temperatures of the previous day, comma, reported in weather reports, comma, are measured by a thermometer called the maximum minimum thermometer. चलिए कंटिन्यू करते हैं. पिछला बॉक्स बीच में आ गई थी. दिस थर्मोमीटर, फुल स्टॉप. लुक एट इट केयरफुल्ली एंड नोट द हाईएस्ट एंड द लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर इट कैन मेजर, फुल स्टॉप. The range of a laboratory thermometer is generally from -10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade. Figure 4.2, full stop. Also, comma, as you did in the case of the clinical thermometer, comma, find out how much a small division on this thermometer reads, full stop. You would need this information to read the thermometer correctly, full stop. Let us now learn how this thermometer is used, full stop. Activity 4.4. Take some tap water in a beaker or a mug, full stop. Dip the thermometer in water so that the bulb is immersed in water but does not touch the bottom or the sides of the container, full stop. Hold the thermometer vertically, figure 4.5. Observe the movement of mercury in the thermometer, full stop. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady, full stop. In addition to the precautions to be taken while reading a clinical thermometer, comma, the laboratory thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted, full stop. Bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured, full stop. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container, full stop. चलिए अभी यहाँ तक रुकते हैं, फिर दूसरे पार्ट में मैं इसको बता देंगे. ठीक है.